Hey guys, what is going on? So, as most of you know, I got a new house, a new place, so it's taken some time for me to get settled in. I've had some cat problems to deal with. Those of you who are on my Facebook know this dude was stuck in my vents the other day. Took some time to get my whole bench out here, but you know, everything's here. This is my new garage, and this is my little drone center now. Major updates, I've got a mail call from Brian at True Drone Reviews. He sent me something, I'm opening it. I literally don't know what's in it. So we're gonna be opening it together. Pretty big announcement as well. I now own a DJI Osmo Action, and this is my first real video on it. My girlfriend Crystal, she bought this for me, so thank you very, very much. She kind of knew I needed a new action camera. My GoPro Hero 4 Black was really starting to get old, and it was kind of draining battery without it even being on. I would have to charge it up and then do a review, and I've been dealing with that for a while. I don't have an external microphone adapter for it though, so I'm going to be keeping an eye out for that. And yeah, this will be my new head cam. Really, really cool. As far as some of the content from vendors, Banggood just sent me this little guy recently. This is the Diatone R349. It's the 3-inch TBS Unify edition. I've taken this out. I've gotten to take this out a few times now. Our weather has been so lousy lately. If it's not raining, it's really windy. We've just had really lousy weather. So hopefully I'll be able to get out with this thing more to like a park or something. Anyway, so on to the mail calls. Okay, so, oh my god. Oh geez, a new 64 gig card. Well thanks, I've used this for my Osmo, man. Thanks so much, dude. Yeah, Brian's a really great guy. Oh my god, I'm gonna have a car charger. What? I did not expect that. Dude, you sent me too much already. Oh my god. The Skyhunter X8? This looks like a little one of the... Oh, I think I know what one... I think I remember watching this review. This is the one I think with the Wi-Fi FPV video, isn't it? I don't think the battery lasts long on this one if I remember your review of it. That's pretty cool. Okay, what is this? Wingsland? No, that couldn't be. Oh my god. Really? Really? Dude. I'm speechless. Thank you so much. And, oh, I guess this is my clue. I didn't even see this. I've got my face in the camera. This is the case. This is the case for the Wingsland. I guess it's a DJI case, but the Wingsland S6 will fit in there. Oh, we gotta open this up. Oh, wow. Look at that little guy. We've got, let's see. Not sure. Okay, we got some pool noodles. We have, oh, I guess these are some mounts for something or other. Actually, I don't know what it looks like. It goes, oh, that's right. Okay, cool. All right, what else do we got here? We've got the Snaptane. Oh, this is the H832H. The Snaptane's been putting out some pretty cool stuff, so I'm really, really happy that You sent this to me so I could review it. I know you did a good review of it, and yeah, so that's really cool, man. Thank you. I will absolutely be doing a little review of that guy. Let's see what this one is. The Eachine E61. Oh yeah, this is a pretty cool one too, from what I've seen in some reviews. That is so cool. Oh my goodness, look at all these drones. They're filling up my bench. I already have a ton of drones, now I've got even more. Okay. Okay, let's check this one out. I was like, what am I looking at here? Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, I don't wanna mess that up. Oh wait, there's something in the way here. Sweet, that looks like another cool little quad to check out. Yeah, you want to check out drones too, huh? You want to check out drones too? Oh, another snap tame, the SP600. Yeah, this one's supposed to be pretty cool too. Thank you so much, man. That's just amazing. This will keep me busy for a while doing some reviews, that's for sure. Go check Brian out. To top it all off, I've got a 150 watt power inverter, and this would be great for my car. Thanks. Jeez. So now I can actually bring one of my drone chargers with me in my car to the field or something and charge batteries from my car if I wanted to now with this little thing. Wow. Yeah, 150 watts. That should be good enough to get at least... I could get at least a 6 amp charge rate off of that, at the very least. So, check out True Drone Reviews. Thanks a lot, Brian. Really appreciate all this stuff, man. Like I said, I'm gonna get back into doing some stuff pretty soon when the weather gets better and I can try to get out to a park area maybe to review some of this stuff. Some of it I can just review right in the back of my place because I've got a lot of open space back there, but others would be more suited to take to a park and review it there. But anyway, so I will see you guys later. I did want to mention that I will be on Coast to Coast Drones, Drone Therapy Live this Wednesday. If you want to check that out, link is in the description below. Come on in, just have fun. If you have any questions for anybody, Jeff Souls will be there. It should be a pretty fun little show. Alright, that's it guys. Take care and have a great day.